Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to envelope this form into a heart. It just doesn't work. I've already made the item pretty small, so I'm going to go to trace bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. And then when it finishes, don't forget to go right here and click, watch the white disappear. So now it's all transparent. Now, this isn't going to envelope. So what we can do is bring in our heart and grab that and go to envelope. And it's an invalid object. So what we have to do now is let's just take away the yellow box. Let's zoom in here. And some of these pieces are not connected. So as you can see, so we're going to connect some of them or all of them. And that's really pretty easy. Just take your shape tool. Whenever you can't grab anything with your shape tool, it's because it needs to go to group and ungroup. Then when you can grab it with your shape tool. And let's grab those two nodes and just bring them down here. Get the virtual segment delete key and delete that. When we smart fill that, that will all get together. So let's do this part right here. Shape tool. We could just grab that. I'm not worried about making it perfect right now. So that's all connected. We're going to grab this, put it here, virtual segment delete key. And then this flower, and you could actually, kind of change your look now and just kind of move this over. You don't have to use the shape tool. And we got a couple more here to do, and then one more petal, I think. We want to make it all one object. And I think we've got it all but this flower right here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to nudge it up and maybe have it touch both those flowers. Maybe even spin a little bit so it's only touching these two and not the third one. So let's take the virtual segment delete key and just swipe through there. This is the same thing the weld tool would do, kind of. Sometimes it doesn't work. And well, there's a couple more up here. I should have already had some of these done, but then it kind of takes away from the video. Tell you what, we'll kill two birds with one stone right here by overlapping both that flower and the leaf. So take the virtual segment delete key and just delete through there. See, that way it'll get through there. Just like in the previous one, we could take this and move it up here. We're going to kill another two birds with one stone because we're going to get all three of these in one shot. And I'm not taking the time to think about moving them around. And at least one more leaf. But once you're done, it'll be pretty easy. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not taking a lot of time. And I think we got it. So we take the smart fill tool now and fill in everything blue. Whoop. So I missed a couple. This is an easy one. I think there's one more. I thought I saw another one, but I don't see where it is. I hit the inside. Well, what did I do wrong? Somehow I got a leak because see, I was turning that yellow or blue everywhere. Oh, when I moved that leaf, so I'm just going to real quickly move that there and that there. So whenever you have that, you got a leak. There we go. So now there's that one more. Apologize. I thought I had it. Tell you what, we'll tie it into this leaf. And because, if you need to think about things, if you're going to cut this out, that would be too fragile. But if you're just going to print this, so we'll take the smart fill tool. Now we got it all. No, we don't. There's one more up top. Tell you what we can do with this one is spin it to where the leaf touches the other leaf or flower. Now, almost guaranteed it'll work. Okay, got it all. Now, the smart fill made a new object. But if we take this heart, let's make it a little bit bigger, and we're going to grab from envelope form and see it says invalid object. You could get it to work, but by the time you can't do that. Tell you what, I'm going to convert it to an object. Nope. So, yeah, I had it working earlier, but my suggestion, and I did it on this one, so let's just use the one I've done, make it a little bit bigger, take the heart, make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to select them all and go EC. And I don't know which one's on top, but see, I can't see the line. It has to be on top. So let's take that one and let's go to object order front of page. Now the red line's on top. And you could make it bigger, trying to get more of it, and just select it all. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a copy of the heart first and try something. Then I'm going to go and intersect it. And what that did, it intersected that right there. Now let's do this. Left click, right click. And let's say we want the heart. See, if we put this right on top, it's not going to have a border like I put. So let's open up under effects, the contour docker, and let's contour the outside just like 0.1 and see what and not quite enough. Let's go 0.3. Break the contour apart. Now we're going to take this and take the outside line and move that over. And now, depending on what color you wanted, I'm going to go ahead and keep that blue. Well, see, everything's not going to work that way. So let's do this. Let's go back to the original and let's go here and weld it. Nope, that didn't work. Let's go back minus front. That didn't work. Let's back up and go front minus back. I think that's what we wanted. Yep. Now we can bring over our other heart. So what I did, I made an outline and take this and fill that in with blue. And there you have it. Now it doesn't look as good until you select it all and right click, no outline in it, so it won't be blue. So you kind of get the same effect, but I can't get I did get the envelope tool to work earlier, but it didn't fill it all in. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.